Why are you here? Your purpose. You are not here to learn. You are not here to grow. You are not here for your soul to experience duality. You are not here for spiritual growth. You are not in earth school. So why are you here? There are two groups of real players here. One group has been logged into this game for a long time, looping in the game for many lifetimes, incarnations, as they were tricked into logging into this game and unable to log out. The other group of players are those who have come here or logged in to help the stuck players wake up to the true nature of this game and help them to log out. Both groups have had their memories blocked prior to incarnation. We are all feeling that this reality feels, looks so bizarre and so scripted. We are given clues individually and at collective level in the form of synchronicities, numbers to figure this out. Stuck real players. The game has gotten so corrupted due to a mind virus similar to a computer virus that keeps the players stuck here with fear or scare tactics, addictions, attachments, and deception due to memory wipe. These stuck players are so into the game of politics, religion, 3D drama that they are not able to detach themselves from the drama that is being played out for them to keep them stuck here. In the recent past, many players have realized there is something seriously wrong with this realm and have started questioning the nature of this realm. The never-ending wars, suffering, abuse, poverty, falling moral values, etc. have woken up the players of both groups and made them wonder why this place is this corrupted and polluted. Why did this happen? The possible background to this is explained in detail in the A Little Thought Experiment. The video is linked above. Basically, this is a hijacked, corrupted game that originally did not have all the dark aspects in it. The players knew they were in a game and had a mechanism to log out whenever they wanted to. It was not a prison like it is now. Expert or administrator real players. The second group of real players can be called expert gamers or game admins who logged in to help have also gradually, in a phased manner, been woken up at various periods. Majority have woken up during the COVID lockdowns. They have now started to figure out their purpose of logging into this game and started acting on it as things get worse and worse day by day in the world. Broadly, the purpose of these players are to assist the stuck players to remember who they truly are, that they are not from this realm, and that they are just operating the avatars here. The process to achieve this is by making the players realize that 3D drama is just a script being played out here in this game. Nothing here is real. It is all an illusion, and they should not let fear tactics scare them. It is all light and sound show to scare us and see how good our discernment is, whether we can find the truth amidst all the lies. This is the most important aspect of waking up, that is, not giving into the scare tactics. The Star Trek Voyager episode The Thaw aptly describes the fear tactics involved in keeping the show running and keeping the players stuck here. Players logging out. Did you notice a sudden and complete change of behavior and even personality in people you know well? A change so undeniable that you would say it's somehow not the same person anymore? For more on this, you can check out the video linked above and provided in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Do check out our website and subscribe to this channel.